This is Ghost-like, and in this video I will replace the complex Webpack config file in the previous project with a Vite one. I got it strongly recommended to me, after which I looked into it and liked it. I'll make an effort to use it instead of Webpack from here on out. As you will see, it really is much simpler to use than Webpack, and according to the Vite site, it has far better performance. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. It is free, and let's get started. In order to motivate this video, I want to emphasize for a bit just how ridiculously complex the Webpack config file in the template is. Numerous settings, numerous plugins. To top it all off, it uses regex to match the file extensions, as if it wasn't complicated enough. As a result of all this complexity in the compilation pipeline, instead of doing programming, I've been trying to grasp how build tools work for the past week. Let me show you the Vite template. It looks much simpler, doesn't it? We'll just take that thing and adapt it for the project at hand. I'm supposed to be a great programmer, but here I am getting hosed by config files. I am finally through this. This was a week I'd rather put behind me. If you aren't interested in setting up a Fable project or Vite, then watching this video must have been torture. Sure, you can read the docs, you can scour Stack Overflow for answers, and you can get a finished template. A screencast like this, on the other hand, will be useful when you are running into problems, when you veer off the happy path. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. It is how I get paid for making these videos. Now that we are finally through the preliminaries, in the future videos we will actually be able to do some programming. This is Ghost-like, and I will see you in the next video.